making the difficult journey across the U.S. border. But this time, it's back to Mexico. Blanca Torre and her 5-year-old grandson Kevin have an entire life packed in the back of their truck. Living in Phoenix, Arizona was already a struggle, paying the rent and other bills. Blanca says recently life in Arizona has become impossible.
Se siente el racismo.
You can feel the racism. Many people have already left. There is a lot of fear.
Fear, and for some, like 14-year-old Jaime, sadness. Most of these children at a shelter in the border city of Nogales have been separated from their families.
We are very sad because we've been separated. My family is now thinking about coming back. The law is forcing everyone to abandon what we've accomplished over a long period of time. Now people are so afraid they don't even go out shopping.
According to the U.S. Office of Immigration and Customs Enforcement, known as ICE, nearly 230,000 Mexicans were deported last year from the U.S. because they were there illegally. News that a federal judge blocked the most controversial parts of the Arizona law did not end fears among protesters in Mexico City.
The decision is temporary. It will delay the law taking effect, but we will keep boycotting and fighting it.
Although key provisions of the Arizona law are not going into effect, these protesters say the lives of thousands of Mexicans have already been affected.
Government institutions and NGOs are still bracing for an influx of people, requesting further assistance to serve meals and to give them shelter and funds to help deportees to get back home. Still, many deportees yearn to go back to the U.S., despite what they say it's growing racism or the dangers they face crossing the desert.
They actually run, from here and they jump. They actually jump to go to the other side.
Salvador Diaz was stopped for a minor offense in Phoenix after living there for 22 years. Although Mexico is his birthplace, he has never actually lived there.
I came here to a place I don't know. It's different. Low pay, dangerous, and it's a whole different life for me, you know?
What are you going to do?
I haven't thought about that yet. Sometimes I think I want to go across the border, but sometimes I don't. I hear too many stories of people dying in the desert.
He's out of a job, away from his family. His life interrupted like thousands of others, with a future still unknown. Mariana Sanchez, Al Jazeera, Nogales, Mexico.